All right, you guys, welcome back. Welcome back to the channel, Smart Money Gang. Y'all know what it is, right? So today I got a video. You already know what it is, right? Because y'all was here last Sunday. I believe y'all was here last Sunday, and y'all was checking out the pre-markets, right? Y'all was checking out the pre-market markups and analysis with your boy. So that's what I'm finna do today, man. I'm gonna do a pre-market analysis, man. I'm gonna try to do a pair or maybe two, depending on how this goes. But man, I only want to do videos for y'all that make sense to where that you guys will watch, right? I don't want to do a whole bunch of different stuff, putting a whole bunch of different stuff out here, and then you guys don't even want to watch it because it's too long, right? Too much long of a content. So right now, I'm just gonna do a markup real fast on what I would do to start up my markup, right? For beginners, guys, because all I want you guys to do is starting to, even though it may be tedious, right? But I want you guys to start repeating these steps every week. Repeating these steps, everything I'm gonna drop for you guys, I want y'all to repeat these steps, keep repeating them until you can kind of get good at it, whether you demoing it out or just starting with like a small account, but you're getting familiar with these charts and familiar with how this markup go, right, guys? So at least you know how to mark up your charts, right? You might not know how to base a lot of trades off of it yet, but it will all come, guys. Don't rush anything, right? This is a process, guys. So let's get it. I'm gonna start the time, and then we're going to share the screen, right? But just the reason why I be so tedious with so many things, or just like being so repetitive with so many things, is because I want you guys to like it to where it get in your head to where you're like, oh man, I already know what to do. I already know how to mark up this week. You know what I'm saying? I don't need Ken this week, right? That's my goal. I don't want you guys to need me. I want you guys to be able to do this without needing me, and then doing your thing, right? So, anyways, we're gonna get over here to the analysis, right? The reason why I marked this one, you know me, I only usually keep three, but today the reason why I marked it is because this where price could be heading, right? We don't know yet, but I still haven't marked up. So I had a 67,500 level area marked up. First off, we in the New Zealand USD, we in the monthly, and I got the line graph on because I want to know the exact points where price touched, and not like the over extreme points where price touch, right? So I don't need to know the high as far as the wick, how high it went. I need to know as far as the closed price, where price went. Okay, so that's how I developed these numbers right here. And also, you guys, you already know I want to measure these numbers to make sure that they're equal, so I know how many pips I'm getting myself into. So before I calculate my plans, I'll know, okay, I'm only price only moving 200 something pips, right? In between 200 something pips. So I know once price touch one of these key levels, it's probably gonna head to the next key level, right? At least I know I'm in it for at least 200 pips, guys. All right. So boom, now I go to the monthly, I get those lines together and I get all that together. This is just my mental, guys. Then we drop down to the weekly. I do the same thing, but also the weekly, I'm looking for patterns, right? Well, actually, it's nothing right here. But like back in the day, before this drop happened, I would have looked at this pattern here, guys, because all this stuff is important. I would have seen this here, right? So I would have seen this here. I'd have seen my hits. Then I would have seen this here, right? And then I would have seen, this bullish channel bearish flag, right? So I'm gonna delete that, remove. We don't need that right now. Remove. We do want to put our half points. So so here I can put this 72,500 right here, just for a consolidation point, right? 72,500. So, and this is also my weekly, my weekly point, right? My weekly zone, right? So I can put my weekly zone here, go to coordinates, and then we want it to be at 72,500, right? We want it in the center as well, right? So we want the center as well. So which should be 100 pips, right? All right, 100 pips. That's what we want, right? So then we go here, we put one at 7,500. Put one at 7,500. Come on, huh? All right, we put one at 7,500, the same point. And then I guess we could put one at 68,500 right here, just because that's what price might could be coming at next. We'll do that on our analysis to see what's going on. And like I said, guys, you already know that it's more deep context with this, for sure. I'm just trying to hurry up and explain it to you guys to get this in your mental to make sure you're doing this so that you can track price, so you can see why price came to this number and turned around and it didn't make it to this, and it didn't make it to that and it didn't make it to the 73 500 level, because it hit here, it hit this halfway section, the 72 500 level, and pushed all the way down, right? So that's how important key levels are, guys. That's all I want to get to your head and throw it in there. So now on this, that's what I would put. Then on my daily, I would come here, and then I would just see what's going on, like any patterns that I see, anything that I see. Basically, for the most part, everything else, like right up here, is lining up. Everything else is lining up, guys. So at this point, me personally, I would just put, just zones, like sell zones and stuff like that. And then like I would probably come here, since we're headed down to an area. I would try to figure out, okay, what area is a buy area for me, right? So in the daily, I come here, go settings. This is my last lowest area, and I would put a buy limit there, right? So this is the last lowest limit before getting to this. So after this support area right here, the 68 500, and it don't get here and it crack through here, then this is my next area right here where it's a buy area. And then it's 70, the 67 500, which is a key level. It's my next area, so I won't mark too many of those. I could put one right here, but we know that's right at a key level. Price got to this key level and turned around. So we don't need hella what's the name? Now our last high, we definitely can mark that off. Even though it's by the 7100 area, we can mark it off as our last high. Go settings before price just continue to go straight down. And then you put a sell limit. Boom. So now we got this area marked up for the daily. And then we can drop to the 4 hour. So now we can go to the 4 hour. Now we can see what's going on the 4 hour, right, guys? So price is down, down, down. We can confirm that by, just dropping our sell points right here. Just keeping ourselves sentient. We don't have to put all this here until you can start seeing it for yourself. Then I wouldn't worry about it because you should be fine, right? And then from here, I would try to see a couple areas where price hit or whatnot. All right, we'll try to figure out a couple areas price hit right here if we want to, or we can keep it simple as it is, right? We could put one like right up here in this area because price had problems right there, and that's pretty much what price is at right now. Which we could put a buy limit, like I said. You don't have to put all these lines if you're used to seeing whatever you're seeing, right? I'll leave that up to you guys. And then let me see. I guess I can put got 1 point right here, 2 points, 3 points. I could put a buy line right here right now. Put a buy line for here for right now. And then we also could put, a sell line going like to this area right here. Turn that to sell line right here, trend line. Sell trend limit, boom. Okay, so now we see, okay, price can get off here, can bounce off this, can bounce off here, it can come here, bounce off here, continue to the downside. So many different angles that we can be looking at, or we can say, okay, this could be a wedge, a bullish wedge, so price could be trying to reverse, keep picking up, picking up, picking up. We need to see if it's making higher highs or not and higher lows. To see if it's changed structure to be able to start shooting up to that upside, if that's what's going to happen. All right, so now we're in the 4 hour, we got that down packed. So now we jump down to our scalping point where now we can go ahead and look into the markets and see, okay, what do we want to do, right? All right, so now, boom. Now we got all that leveled off and we got all that marked off. We can go back down because now we're looking for the candle pattern story. Now we're looking at the patterns of the candles, okay? Okay, so we know, boom, we got a high, a lower high, right? Lower high, lower high. Now we know we at this level right here. And now we can read what's going on, right? So now we know we're at a level of which could be support, right? So we go to settings, and we could put a buy trend line, buy. Let me see, a buy limit right here. Put a buy limit right here, and then on the break, we put a sell limit right here. Settings, sell limit trend. So now, okay, we kind of understand what's going on, right? We understand what is going on with this pair. We know we're in a downtrend. We know we at a key level right now. We got that pullback, price pushing down, but we got that failure to make a lower low, and then we got a an engulfing candle right here, guys. So on a break of this, we just need to wait to see if price gonna break through this level or not. If it do, it breaks through here. We're gonna wait for the pullback, and then we're gonna enter, right? Or it could shoot up here, fail to get to this level, or get to this level, reject this level, and then can continue to push down to the downside, guys. So now we just got to pay attention. We got to wait. And this is pretty much how I start off my my chart, my analysis, right? So that's me looking for trend for trend. I'm confirming higher lows, lower highs, right? I'm looking at where price is at, right? It's under my 200 EMA. So I'm looking at all these confluences. I'm looking at these buy levels right here. I'm looking at these exit points, right? If price was to go, I'm looking at, okay, boom, first take profit, second take profit, third take profit, fourth take profit. That's what those lines are for me. To take profit areas where I could take profit. Another thing that you guys could use right now at this level is what I taught you guys yesterday, right? Which is the Fibonacci extension at this point. So we can start from this point right here. We can go from A, B to C, right? And then we can stretch this a little bit. All right, so we can go to A, B, and C. And then hold on, let me go to settings right here, because I like to change all mines to all black. Because easier for me to see. I'm not digging all those colors being everywhere, all over the board. So change that to all black. This is what I like. This is how I like to roll. I meant to change it last night after I seen all them dang on colors. It's like, dude, that's confusing. Nobody don't want to see all those colors like that. Okay, and then we can take the shadows off. We don't need the background either. All right, so now you don't need the background. Okay, so now we go here and make everything a little bit thick. Oh no, not the trend line. I don't care about how thick the trend line is. You want these lines a little thick, not that thick. Three about civilized, you feel me, for my eyes. Anyways. But yeah, so now you can put this Fibonacci right here, this Fibonacci extension on, and then you can see exactly where you can be taking profits at. Right, guys. So we can try to be looking here for entries, and we can use these levels for support, until we get to here. Then we can see, okay, where we can take our profit at. So we can take our, if price was to go shoot up, we can if price was to shoot up, then we could take profit here at this level right here, which is, this is a level right here. Settings. I want to see how this line up, y'all know what I'm saying. So boom. So boom, you got one right here at this 4.236 level. Then you got this 3.618 level. Then you got the 2.618, and then you got the 1.618. So first profit, take profit right here, almost lined up to right here where we had problems at 1. They go 2, we had problems right here, as you guys can see. 3, we had problems right here. So the extension is really money. Boom, and then we have problems right here. So the extension is really money. Only if price is going to take off, shoot off in this direction. Then we know we can take profit at these levels here, 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 and here, guys. All right, so I know I don't went all the way over my time, man, but that's the pre-market analysis, guys. And yeah, let's get it, man. This is just on one pair, man, because like I said, the time ran out. If you want to come in and you want to get deeper, deeper mentorship where I give out a daily analysis, and we do Tuesday analysis for free on here. You already know that. So like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, man, that we're gonna be litty, we going up. And yeah. This is the pre-market analysis. This is just one pair for you guys. This is free, so you know what I'm saying. So you can go off this and you can actually go through these numbers, put your own numbers on there, and start looking at the board from your side of the view. Okay, guys. Like I said, man, y'all want that deeper mentor, man, y'all can look in the description below, and I can go in full depth and tune with everything else that you need to know that goes along with this type of flow. And things of that nature. But you already know, man, as soon as I get the knowledge, I'm gonna come on here and give y'all the knowledge, spit the game to y'all. I try to help y'all out throughout the week. And then yeah, let's get it, man. Actually on the mentorship, I go through a lot of different pairs. So you might not trade NU, or you might not trade. So I go through different pairs on here, but on there, we can come up with your own trading style, your own trading plan. Pairs that you like, we can go over them and look at them together, right? And then we can come up with a bias and everything together, as opposed to you just trying to figure it all out on your own, guys. That's the whole point, right? I just want to shorten your learning curve. And if you allow me to do that, then go ahead and hit the description below. Yeah, like, share, subscribe. Let's get it. Yeah.